Town with a YouTube. It's your boy Don Ferg, man. We out in the garden today. We out in the field on the land, you know. This the plan. We finna go and get ready to try to sow us some watermelon, cantaloupe. Got like 3 different watermelon seeds I'm finna plant and some cantaloupe. I got my boys back here with me. I got K Ferg. Hold on. That's K Ferg right there. I got Eli Ferg, E Ferg, whatever you want to call it. And we got A Ferg, Aiden, you know, the Ferg. So we here, you heard? Right now we walking to my aunt's house. That spot we were just at was another little spot. Right now we walking to my aunt's house to go check out these other beds and see if she got some water hose over here because I left my water hose at home. We out here in the pasture with the horses. We got old Sally and her little foal over there. Walk over here with my boy. That's my man. Blue right there. What's up, boy? We out here in the pasture. Horses in the pasture. Blue. Big dog. He ready to eat. He think y'all got some food over there. What's up, my boy? Look at him. All the way home. Hey, mama.
But them dip flies been tearing hold.
Get the little baby. She just had her baby. Like, she had to have him like last week or so because he was not here. Okay, I ain't gonna mess with him. Look, she's trying to get in between me and the baby. You usually let me go to your babies. Oh, that's a girl? Oh, that's our first girl in like 5 years. We're having straight males. Look at her trying to protect. We got an old, look at this big old white peach tree right here. This thing gotta be over 10, 15 years old, 12 years old. Like, and it's throwing off, look at all this right here, man. This is all these are peach trees. Like, last year I missed the harvest though, cause I came out a little late. And they, like the bugs and fungus and I already got to it. And like, I ain't get to get as many good ones. But this year, I ain't gonna miss it. I'm gonna have some peaches and I'm gonna have them for sale. So y'all be ready. Come buy you some peaches, watermelon, cantaloupe, all that good stuff. That's it. Just look at it, man. Look at all that. Come up here and look at all this food on this thing. Got food all on that mug. I came out here like 3-4 weeks ago and I started picking off some peaches so it won't be too much harvest on there. So I came out here, I started picking at it. This is gonna be nice right here. Check out this little plum tree right here.
These the red ones.
The last couple of years, it ain't been throwing off any much fruit.
These the red
They throwing off fruit now. That one good. They got some red ones. Oh, these are the red ones. Look at that cactus. We got cactuses. We got everything. We got a persimmons tree right here. I need to try to get them persimmons this year. I tried to get them last year, but they was too high in the sky. I'm gonna give me a big old ladder. I'm gonna get up there and get them suckers. So we got like 7 or 9 peach trees out here on the land. There go another one. It was bearing fruit last time. I came and pick some of the fruits off over here too. Look at that. Beautiful peach tree. We'll probably throw a little fertilizer on it. We got another one right here. It was bigger. My cousin came out here and trimmed it up and got it right. Yeah, man, we got like 7, 8 peach trees out here. Here go another one right here. Look at this. Whole another peach tree. We got peaches for days, guys. We go Eli pulling up in the truck. So we kind of ran into a little problem. The water hose over there in my cousin's spot is broken, and I did not know that. Well, the pipes were broken, so the water ain't working. Look at that pretty thing. So we finna have to get some barrels of water and tote the barrels of water over there however we can. That's the plan. So this is how we finna have the water, guys. We have to fill up this big old thing and take it over there and water it like this. I can't sit on the edge. That bitch gonna be so heavy, it ain't even gonna move. She was trying to pop out. Yeah, look at this. I was just walking in the back, and this is like a little hole. Like, look at this. They got some turnip greens over there. I got peppers and stuff up over there. But I was stumbling right here in this little ditch, and they got tomatoes growing in this little ditch right here. That's a whole tomato plant. Oh look, someone started fruiting. Look at that. It's crazy. They probably just threw them some tomatoes right here, and it just started growing. So far, I showed y'all like look at him. I just showed y'all like 3 or 4 different peach trees, and here go another one. 2 of them right here. This one ain't really fruiting yet. I noticed that some of them don't always fruit every year. Some of them fruit like every other year, every 2 years. There go another one right there. And there's another one right there. That's like 1, 2, 3, 4. Big one in there, 5, 6, 7, 8 over there, 9. Yeah, it's about 9, 10 of them out here, guys. That's a lot. Could be, look like some green beans though. Not sure. Here go another peach tree. This one was so big, y'all. It was tall. Like, he had cut this one down too. I wonder if there's some fruit on this one. Nah, I don't see too much fruit on this one either. This one had hundreds of peaches last year. And most of these are white peaches. So yeah. I knew it was gonna hit one of y'all. So now we are currently back to the other bed, the other spot with the water. We're gonna work some ground and get some seeds. So you know, you're back up right there. Or really, you can go in there and bag it up somewhere. Which one? Oh shit. That's gonna get wet. That motherfucker go swimming. It done, guys. We're getting it done. Getting all these rows dug out. We got 1 row right there, 1 row right here, 2, 3. Throwing on the 4th one. We tired. We putting in the work. Hey, dude, what are you doing over there? Is he drinking the water? This dude, he ended up soaking his head. This dude crazy, man. We got a little Aiden packing the dirt down. Colin over there making some rolls. I'm over finishing up on these rows. We got a little.
Boss, you ain't been doing nothing.
See, whoever.
You.
That boy trying to say I haven't been working. You see the sweat on me? Come on, dog. But yeah, man, you can see we got the little rows right here. They ain't the prettiest, but I mean, hey. Like I just told my little cousin, I say, I really don't know what I'm doing, but I'm doing it. Like, that's all I can say here. Shit, give it a try and see what the outcome will be. Trying is effort to do something, not knowing the outcome.
Hey, some of you got them hoes.
Nah, it's the only hole I need. Now we got 2 hoes out here with 4 people. We the running these hoes. We working these hoes for real, I tell y'all. We be working them hoes. We be working them hoes. We be working. How that sound? We be working them hoes. We working them hoes, yeah. Work that hoe. Work that hoe. Work that hoe. Work that hoe.
Sometimes you gotta get that
I don't.
work right.
Told this
Throw
hoe.
that hoe.
This nigga just threw that hoe.
What's up with you hoes, man?
Trip, how you got me throwing these hoes like this?
Hey, you want your hoe back before I get her?
Who Colin finna take your hoe?
Give me my hoe. Give me my hoe now, cuz.
Colin finna take his hoe.
Oh, cheating on you and shit.
You stole the hoe from him anyway. Did you just have the hoe? Oh, no, Eli had the hoe.
Eli had the whole food.
Yeah, I had the whole furs.
I guess we passing the hose around.
Oh, Aiden running from that hoe.
Hey, run from that hoe.
He had to get some water for that hose.
He said what?
He said he doing water for the hose.
This shit right here is real life. It's like it's cricket or something. Can I see which one we on?
You got to pull your piece back on. No, he gonna have to pull his piece, pull his little piece he did, pull his back on.
Yeah, this piece right here.
Yo, pull that back on.
Yeah. Cause see, I've been bouncing around, just going back and forth to all over. It threw me off a little bit.
He get bouncing around with them hoes.
Jeez. It's gonna rain.
Alright. Then when we come back, we got.
Hold on, hey, let me see that hoe real quick.
You want my hoe?
Yeah, let me see that hoe real quick.
On my hoe?
Let me see that hoe real quick.
Hey, you really might not even have to plant the seeds today.
Look at this
Because it's
old
finna
Billy
rain.
Goat looking at talking.
They gonna be dead. Cause I know them. I know for sure them rabbits gonna try to come. Could be hella rabbits over there.
It's gonna be hella deers.
Oh, deers, all that.
Rabbits though. Yeah, it's gonna be deers.
We're gonna have to fence it off for sure just cause we out here in the.
You put that at a high voltage.
Just cause we out here in the country, we're gonna have to fence it off. Man, it's finna get ready to rain, guys. I was gonna plant some seeds today, but the rain finna come. So right now I'm just finna focus on finishing these rows, getting these rows finished with these hoes. Get these rows finished with these hoes, you know. And then we're gonna probably come out here the next day or two, and then we're gonna plant all these seeds. I think that's what I might do. So as you can see, I don't know if you can see it, but the rain's starting to come. We got a couple rows still got. We got one row right here. 2,
Nice going, coach.
3, 4. We're still working on that one 5. We're gonna do about 3 more, 4 more right here. Might plant some sweet potatoes back here. All this gonna be straight watermelon, cantaloupe. And all that. They got cucumbers right there. So yay. So we finna go ahead and plant a couple of them. I got a little watermelon plant right here. I started growing already. I got another one that started growing already. Yeah, this how you want to break it out. Squeeze that bitch up. Yep. I kind of slowly turn it over and just try to let it fall out in your hand. Yep. Get them roots. Drop it straight in there like that. Bam. Yes, sir. Oh, B. Wow, son. Look at the roots. You close up on it? Nice little root system right there. That's all you need. Listen. Cover that up. I ain't even gonna worry about watering it. Like I say, it's finna rain. I'm gonna let the water, they'll do the rest. Them roots gonna spread all that. That's enough room for it too. You got some compost, organic fertilizer. Well, not organic fertilizer. Organic compost to help strengthen the soil, give it what it needs. We're gonna go through. We're gonna lay some on there while the rain coming. So it's gonna be ready. It's gonna help amp that soil up. Amp that soil up. Get the soil what it needs since it's seed. You know? It ain't a whole lot. You have to get some more. Just a little something here. So that might conclude this video, guys. I don't know. I might add on to it. Might do a day 2 or a part 2. Or I might go and post this one. But yeah, we put a little work in today, guys.